Hello friends, I am Pushpa Kamawat, working as an assistant professor in Biyani Girls B.Ed College. I welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on language. Language. What is language? What is the meaning of language? For this, we have to know what is the meaning of language. First of all, we should know that language is derived from the Latin word lingua. The meaning of lingua is the tongue. The tongue is used for the language, because language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols, and arbitrary vocal symbols are composed and are pronounced by the language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by means of which human beings interact and communicate to each other. For this, we should know the definition of language. Definition of language given by O. Jesperson. Language is a set of human habits, the purpose of which is to give expression to thoughts and feeling. Now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of language, how language is formed. First of all, the first characteristics, language is a social process. In the society, if we want to communicate, if we want to share our feelings, our emotion, our thoughts, then the medium of medium of communication is language. Without language, no society is possible. Without language, the communication is not possible. Second one, earned property. Language is not a parental property, it is a gained property. If we want to share our feeling, then we have to learn language. We cannot achieve language, we cannot get language ability from our parents. Third one, system of sounds and signals. Language is a system of sound and signals. Different types of sounds and different types of signals are used to communicate, to interact to each other. Next, based on social contact and environment. Language is based on the society, and the social environment is related to culture. As we know that India is a multicultural country. Different types of cultural peoples live in India, and if we want to share our feeling, if we want to share our culture, then we should know the language and how to communicate to each other. By language we communicate, we can interact to other society people, and we can spread over our culture. Next, language is affected by two factors, physical and mental. If we are physically proper, if we are mentally healthy, then we can make use of language in a better way. All these are the characteristics of language, and now we are going to discuss about the importance of language. First of all, means of expression. Every human being have different kinds of feeling, and if he wants to share his feeling, then he should get the medium of language. Second, unites the people of the world. Language is the medium by which we can unite all of the people of the world. Next, basis of all development. Language is the basis of all different types of development, such as emotional, physical, mental, social, and etc. Next, language is the medium of education. In education, we can get education, and we can educate the other people by the means of language. Without language, no education is possible. Next, aesthetic aspect of language. Language has different types of aesthetic aspects. Simplest and easiest way of communication. Language is known as the very simplest and very easiest way of communication. Without language, we can't express our feelings. Without language, we can't communicate to the members of society. That's why language is very essential and vital, and language has the vital role in our society, and it is the basis of all the development of a human being. Thank you.